Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use the DJI Pocket 2 to film real estate videos, for example interiors and stuff like that for maybe a residential house, something to wow your clients. Alright, let's get straight into it by using an introduction and then we're going to talk about the moves. Hi, my name is Tim from 40 Tech, and as I said in today's video I want to show you how you can use the Pocket 2 to make real estate videos. Now in this lesson we're going to learn 4 basic moves. One is the dolly shot, one is the panning shot, then we're going to do the crane shot, and finally it's just a straightforward tilt. Alright, let's get straight into it. So first of all, the dolly shot. Now the way to do that with your Pocket 2 is simply just to hold it out in front of you with 2 hands, and you can simply just move slowly to the right or to the left, like so. And this is very useful for example, revealing the actual interior of the room, for example, the furniture or the layout, and just giving the viewers the sense of what exactly is the layout of the room in the house. Alright, now you can also use this shot, for example, to actually reveal the room. So rather than just sit there in a corner, you could, for example, come out from behind a door or maybe from behind a piece of furniture, as these examples show. Now, just before we move on to the next move, what I want to do is tell you a little bit about the Pocket 2 in terms of rather than using it just on its own like this, because the actual screen, as you know, is very small, you have a couple of options. The first option maybe is to use something like this, which is a straightforward little piece of bracket, and the way we do that is we just simply slide the Pocket 2 into the bracket, and it's got some sort of felt there to protect it, and then we can take our actual mobile phone and we clip it into the mobile phone holder like so, and then we should have in here a couple of adapters, and this is part of the actual creator combo, but they are available separately. And this is a Pocket 2 mobile phone adapter, and this one's got an Android and also a Lightning one. So obviously you take the appropriate one, you're going to slot it into where we have the joysticks on the Pocket 2, and just pop it into the actual mobile phone. And when you do that, you can just simply push it together, and then your mobile phone is effectively nicely, snugly next to your Pocket 2. Then you load up the DJI Mimo app, and then you can actually see what's on the Pocket 2. Now I'm going to go into details about the DJI Mimo app in a future video. So this video here, I'm not going to go into details. So that's the first option, is to use that, so you've got a larger screen. The other way you can do it is using, for example, the extension rods that's available from DJI. And here we have a mobile phone holder, and you can extend this guy out like so. So the mobile phone will sit inside here, like so, and then you can simply unclip this and slide in your Pocket 2. Again, I'm not going to actually go into the details of how to install your phone and such on the extension rods in this video. Okay, let's now move on to the next move, which is the panning move. So the way we do this for the panning move is simply just to hold the Pocket 2 out like that, and we're going to rotate the Pocket 2 slowly to the left, like so, or to the right, and notice that the gimbal head will then slowly catch up on and mirror the move. So that gives us a very easy panning move, and we can just stand basically in the corner of the room and just actually reveal the room. So that's one way of doing it. The other way of doing it is to actually use the joystick that's on the Pocket 2 here, and we can simply just move the joystick to the right or to the left, and that's also going to do a little panning move, as you can see here. Now notice that if you have the joystick, you're going to probably find that it's going to be initially quite quick. So what you want to do is slide down from the top on your Pocket 2 to go to see the cog, and then click on the cog, then go to where it says accessories on the right hand side. Click on that and you should see on the bottom left hand corner it says control speed or control stick speed. Click on that guy and then you have zoom and gimbal. So on the right hand side we have the gimbal speed. It's between 1 and 10, 10 being the fastest, 1 being ridiculously slow. You don't want it that slow, you're just going to probably retire by the time it actually moves. We're just going to try maybe 3 or maybe 5. And set it to one of those settings and just simply press the OK button and just see whether the speed of the actual panning with the joystick is appropriate or not. So there's two ways of doing the panning move. One is just simply to use your hands, or you can use the joystick as you prefer. So that's the panning shot, and then we can move on to the next one, which is the crane shot, or the jib shot, depending on how people like to call it. So the way we do that is we can just hold on to our gimbal into your hands, maybe bend your knees if you don't have arthritis like me, and slowly just raise up the actual Pocket 2 up nice and slowly as high as you like to go. And you're basically just mimicking a jib in the Hollywood. Now this move can be quite nice for maybe coming above a piece of furniture or maybe above something of interest like a plant or something, again to reveal the scene. As you can see in these examples here. Alright, and the next move I want to show you is simply just the tilt, and that's again very easy to do. So you simply just hold the Pocket 2 like so and just rotate it vertically effectively, so it's going to look up or it can look down. Now you need to make sure that you are not in tilt locked mode, which can be just by pressing the button at the top until it says follow. And then that should allow the actual gimbal to slowly rotate up or rotate down. If you're in tilt lock mode, it's basically going to stay stable, level, and it's not going to do the tilt at all. And again, this move can be just another alternative to the dolly or the panning shot to reveal the room. Okay guys, that's 4 basic moves that I wanted to show you in this particular video. So go ahead and practice this in your house or something like that until you're more comfortable of using these moves. And then in future lessons, we're going to learn to do more sophisticated moves. Okay guys, once again, if you find this video useful, please leave a comment and of course like the video. And if I can trouble you for a subscribe as well, that would be even better to support the channel and encourage me to do more videos like this. Alright, take care and I shall see you soon.